Dekat-dekat sikit. You tengok ni. You tengok. Tengok. See. Dia the best. Jadi nak buat ayam benedict ni bukan senang tau. You must have an experienced skilled chef. In order to be a perfect chef ni sebenarnya is skill. Training. So let me taste first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cair di mulut. Memang sedap. And Chef Salim ni agak legend So dia serve with country style potato. Saute with herb. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's very nice. La Bamba Chicago menu. Chef Salim nak cakap apa sikit?
Ini actually menu lama-lama ni, classical. Kalau ketabur spinach, actually they call it egg Florentine actually.
Okay.
Tapi sebab kita nak egg Benedict lebih terkenal, so kita olahkan jadikan Cafe Salim punya egg Benedict special.